here at NAIA Terminal 3 and we're on our way to Seoul, South Korea. So we're planning to go to Seoul and Busan. But we'll mostly stay in Seoul. Yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. Order mo?
Tapa Queen.
Tapa Queen? Oh, bakit gusto mo yan?
Kasi sweet and spicy parang ako.
Ah! Welcome to South Korea, Kasi. Hi, we're here at the airport. We just passed by immigration. They didn't ask us for anything, so it's all automated.
There's an immigration officer but they don't ask you anything.
Ha! We're here at an ATM. We're trying to withdraw money and then maybe go to a convenience store before we take the train going to the city. Ano daw sabi niya? First order of business, convenience store. Hello. We'll try some convenience store food. What do you think this is? Chicken? I think this is chicken. We have sausage, Coke Zero for Bebs. This one for me. Strawberry milk with coffee. How's it?
Chicken.
Chicken? Okay.
Stop.
Sarap?
Yeah, good. Take it.
Shake it. I can drink just black coffee. Needs to be with sugar. Tastes good actually.
Good. I'm happy for you.
You wanna try it? Just
Yeah.
a sip? Like it? I like it.
Very good.
Let's try this too. Oh, there's chicken and cheese and mayo. This is good. Yeah. Hi, we're staying here at Holiday Inn Hongdae. Mami Jan is staying at 1523 and we're staying here at 1501. Let me give you a room tour. 1501. Exit map. Oh, there's a flashlight. 2 bathrobes. There's a fridge. Water. Hair dryer. Some amenities, sanitary bag, shower cap, and vanity kit. And here's the shower. So this one doubles as a door for the shower and a door for the toilet. So when you close it like this, you can use the toilet or the shower. But if you just want to use the shower, you can also do this, like close it like that, and this one is open to the bedroom. Here's the shower. There's a shower and conditioner and body wash. The mirror. But this one you cannot open. There's a plug, power plug. Bedroom. TV. So there's soft and there's firm. You have a choice for your pillows, which is good. There's a phone, side table, an office desk, and here's our view of the city. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 수마인 nyo rin.
We're going out. Para yung
Saan ito?
kain tayo?
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you. Up.
Showered! Woo!
Mukhang tao na kami.
Mukhang tao na kami ulit, guys! We're ready to shop and eat dinner. Band-Aid, ma'am.